Hello guys, I want to show to you my Oracle Think Tank deck Tsukuyomi build. They said that Oracle Think Tank is good for hand cards, and I know that Chuk deck is one of the best deck in Oracle Think Tank for the late game. Let's get started. For the grade 3s, I run 3 Goddess of the Full Moon Tsukuyomi. They said that 4 is good for run, but I running only 3 because 4 is much and 3 is good for in my opinion, good 3. For the next, I run 3 CEO Materas. Skill, a beginning of the main phase, so charge 1, look at the top card of your deck, put that card at the top or the bottom. She will get you a 6 souls if the chain ride did not complete successfully ride and completed the 6 souls. Well, okay. Next is I run Battle Sisters Cookie 1 for alternative Vanguard, for CEO Materas and Goddess of the Full Moon, for stopping the soul charging and may lead to deck out. Okay. Next is the G2s. For the G2s, I run 4 Goddess of the Half Moon Tsukuyomi for in the chain 4 in the chain ride. Okay. Next is I run 3 Silent Tone. The others will run 4 and the others is 2, but I run 3. It's good sniping for the 10k and 11k Vanguard combo for the vanilla boosters. And okay, next is I run 2 Oracle Guardian Red Eye for when attack hits, so charge 1 for completing the 6 souls. Okay, next is I run 2 Battle Maiden Tagitsuhime 12k attacker for 6 souls. Okay, for the G3 and G2 we are complete. We will now go to G1. For G1, I run 4 Goddess of the Crescent Moon Tsukuyomi for the chain ride. Okay, next is I run 4 Battle Sisters Chocolate PG for the Oracle Think Tank. I run 4 because in this deck we can almost easily get the perfect guard, for instance, because of drawing cards. Yes, and for appropriate guarding for the Vanguard. Okay. Next is I run 3 Vanillas Oracle Guardian Gemini and 2 Weather Girl Milk, a 10k booster for the Vanguard, for the Choke for the 21 lineup. Okay, and lastly I run 2 Dark Cat for when this unit calls, you may draw a card, both your opponents. So have pros and cons, but I will run 2. Yes. And for the triggers, I run 4 heal, Los Angemegas heal, 4 draws, and 8 crits. And for the starter, Gado Kichibiyoshi. On the beginning of the ride phase, look at top 5, search for your deck, and ride the G1, Crescent Moon, and rest at the bottom of the deck for the starting of the stuff. Well, thank you this is all for my Oracle Think Tank Yomi deck profile. Thanks for watching.